I'm Kipling, and I'm a kid who loves good food. But I wonder, what does it take to make food really delicious? Come with me as I research the science behind fantabulous food and how to cook it. This is FOOD, Culinary Science for kids of all ages. Hello, welcome back to FOOD, and today we are going to talk about emulsifiers. So, emulsifiers help water and oil mix together. Water and oil don't mix together because water molecules are polar, meaning they have a sort of a negative pause on one end and a little bit of a positive charge on one end. Excuse me, that was a mistake. So we have a little bit of a positive charge on one end and a little bit of a negative charge on the other end, and that attracts them together, and it's called being polar. But oil is not polar, and they share their electrons evenly, and it's less dense than water, so they all float to the top. But there's a way you can fix that.
That way is called emulsifiers. An emulsifier is a liquid or other substance that you use, and it will help the water and the oil molecules blend. It wraps the oil molecules and makes them less hydrophobic. I forgot the word for a second. And because oil molecules are really hydrophobic, and when they get emulsified, they're less hydrophobic, so they can blend with the water easier, and that's how you get your nice vinaigrette dressings and stuff.
Okay, so we're going to do a science experiment. We're going to put the same amount of water in each cup. I'm going to try and even it out.
While he's doing that, some other things to have emulsifiers are things like French dressing, so hollandaise and berets, and also things even like pound cake or just other cake has an emulsifier. And it's not a food, but lotion or some chapstick has emulsifier in it too.
Okay, this is going to take kind of a while to get all this water, to get all the water even.
Our water that we have right here is blue because it helps as a visual aid, sort of, so you know what the water is and what the oil is, and you can see the difference better.
Okay, that's about the same amount of water in each cup. Now we're going to put a little bit of oil in each cup.
We're just going to use vegetable.
I don't want this to be in the way. Okay, gonna try and get this even. Okay,
just a little
tiny bit.
Whoa. Yeah, you can see that it's very hydrophobic.
The water
just goes up to the top, and it starts blobbing together.
Blobbing together. Why is there so much awkward silence?
I don't know. We need more stuff to talk about. Okay, well,
there we go. The same amount of oil in each cup. Now we need our emulsifier. So we're gonna have one with no emulsifier. I'll spread these out a little bit. We're gonna have one with an egg yolk, one with no emulsifier, one with mayonnaise, and one with mustard. You might need to, yeah. Okay. You know how to just get just the egg white out?
I'll try.
Okay. Hopefully you don't fail. I need to
run out for it. I think I got most of the egg white out. Should I put it in the egg one
probably,
now?
Probably right. Right here.
You will need to move out of the way.
I should probably put in a little bit of mayonnaise. That's a lot of mustard.
No.
Okay.
Plop.
Okay, there we go. So, now we're gonna mix them together. exactly the same amount, hopefully. I need someone to hold these for me.
Like this.
Very big on my hands.
Okay. Now this one.
So about 4 stirs for each.
5. That one didn't spill, surprisingly.
We're gonna mix all of these a little bit more, and then we're gonna put them on the video in a time lapse, and we'll see how long it takes for the oil to separate from the water. Okay, so that time lapse was actually really interesting. Because normally when water gets emulsified, then it turns white, but then when the one with the no emulsifier turned white, which is totally weird. So now we have this huge lettuce plant in our garden, and now we're gonna make a dressing for it, and we're gonna eat it.
Okay, you're on.
So we're gonna go in and harvest our lettuce. I got it when it was just a baby, and it's already fully grown. It's about to bolt, but we don't want to eat it when it's bolted, so.
Somebody wants to come in the garden with you. Okay. How big was the lettuce when you got it?
It was really small, and I don't really want to kill it right now. Wait, but I want a salad. How do you get this thing out? Whoa, that's big. Get off all the dirt. So we have all our ingredients gathered. Wait, this calls for a lemon, but we don't have one.
Yes, we do.
Oh, so we're gonna cut this lemon, and we're gonna zest. No, we need to zest it first.
Yes.
So, gonna zest it into here. Make sure to wash it out in case your dad had a whatever it's called, a protein shake. Those taste horrible. I'll zest it over here.
This zester is very sharp. Don't hurt yourself.
Oh, wrong way. There we go.
Not all of these are as sharp as this one.
This is just sharp because
So
it zests
we're making a lemon dressing,
a lemon vinaigrette.
and it's an emulse, like we were talking about earlier with emulsifiers and stuff.
Like how our mayonnaise was an emulse. An emulsion. Not
Yeah.
an emulse. Sorry.
Make sure that you are making this. It will be really good. Probably. Hopefully.
Zested all off in the same place.
You just want it to turn like this color, the brighter yellow. Hopefully we get half a teaspoon.
That's probably more than half a teaspoon.
Here?
No, not that. We need one.
This is gonna take forever to zest. What about this one? What do you call what do you call people that guard Samsung stores? Guardians of the Galaxy. Just adding some comedy to make it so it doesn't take so you're not bored while I'm zesting this lemon.
Why should you never have something that smells bad in an Apple store? They don't have windows.
Wow, this is a real punishment.
Punishment? What state tells the most jokes? Pennsylvania. That joke kind of makes sense for the 4th of July since they signed the Declaration of Independence in Pennsylvania. Just historical note. That's probably... Wait, it's filmed,
About
right?
enough if we collect all of the stuff on the cutting board.
Yeah, probably. That's enough. That's more than enough already just in there.
It's lemon dressing.
Lemon. Okay, now we're gonna mix in the rest of our stuff. Well, we have to juice the. I have to juice the lemon. We want to. Oh yeah, lemon. I get to cut the lemon. Make sure to juice it over here.
How much do we need? 2 tablespoons?
Yeah, that's about how much 1 lemon makes. So make sure to hold this over there so it doesn't spray everywhere like it normally does. So now do I pour this into the...
Yeah, we have to measure 2 tablespoons.
Well, this is a 2 tablespoons. There's probably not even 2 tablespoons in there.
Yeah, probably not.
If there's not, then I'll do the... Oh, there is. There's more than that. Want to drink this? Sure.
Not really.
I'll do it.
Oh, just put it in. It's only a bit more.
Yeah. Okay, so now we mix everything else. Oh yeah, we mix everything except for the oil. And we whisk it while we're slowly pouring the oil. I will put in the sugar. Oh yeah, we have a 1/4 a teaspoon of salt. I'll put this in here. 1/4 a teaspoon of sugar. No?
No. It's just
a pinch of sugar. A pinch of sugar, which we used a 1/4 of a teaspoon for. No. You just got a pinch of it and put it in there. Okay. Okay, now we can stack our bowls. Put in just a little bit of pepper. We're just gonna grind some of that in here. And now we can splop in the mustard and splop in the mayonnaise.
okay. We have a teaspoon of mayonnaise and a teaspoon of mustard.
And you splop it.
Those are our.
You can use this to get it out.
Emulsifiers.
Use this to get it out. No, well, I got it out anyway. And you have to say splop when you're getting it out. Splop, splop.
Okay. Is that pretty much everything? Let's do a bit more pepper.
We like pepper. Lemon vinaigrette. And now we need a whisk. No, there's the whisk ball in there. But how do we pour in that while we're shaking it up? Oh, you just shake I'll do it. We can all shake it up. Okay, now we need to put in our oil. Just a little bit, not all of it.
A little bit at a time.
Don't push it down that hard if you have one. Was that harder than getting the sweetener out? No.
You're gonna spill it all down the sides.
We're just gonna screw it off instead of trying to open it up like. Okay, just pour in a 1/4 of that, and then we'll keep shaking it up.
You gotta shake it a lot to get it all mixed up.
Yeah, if there's globs of mayonnaise, stop immediately and shake it a lot. A lot. Oh yeah, make sure you have the spring thing in there if you have one of these, or else it won't mix as well. So, out of all of that, that's 6 tablespoons of olive oil. Yeah, olive oil.
If you didn't hear us with the ingredients before, we'll put them up on the screen.
Hopefully this tastes good. Yeah, that's pretty mixed up. You should be able to, it will be safe to refrigerate it for up to 2 weeks. Okay, so now we're gonna taste a little bit. I am assuming that this stuff tastes really strong because apparently this is 16 servings, so I don't know.
Need your help.
I got it. I was worried you were going to hit yourself in the face. I did hit myself in the face.
Okay, just pour a little bit of that on there.
Yeah, a little bit.
Mix it up.
Yeah, we'll mix it up. We'll each have a little taste of it. That's really good. Thanks for learning about emulsifiers with us. Go lecture everyone about your knowledge about emulsifiers. Lemon vinaigrette is one of my favorite salad dressings. We hope you like it. And I'm a kid too, so I still like ranch dressing. And I wonder if we could figure out what's in it.
What's ranch dressing? You know they make ranch dressing? Buttermilk and sadness. It's the only ingredients.
Buttermilk and sadness.